No doubt you've seen a picture of a red barn before. Country barns are very popular images for artists to recreate. Today, we are going to draw our very own country barn, learning how to draw two sides of a building. On a horizontal piece of paper, draw a straight line near the bottom of the paper. Then, draw 3 lines that come up from that bottom line. The first 2 should be closer together, and then the last 2 should be farther away from each other. In between the first 2, draw a dot, and then diagonal lines to create a triangle. To finish the roof, we want to slant our line. So I'm drawing a diagonal line that's the same slant as the triangle. Then go across in a straight horizontal line to complete the roof. We need to separate the roof from the side, so draw another horizontal line in between. Now it's all about decorating your structure. I'm going to add big barn doors, and to create the X, I'm starting in the corner and I'm drawing a bunch of triangles. So 2 triangles. Now nearby but not touching on the sides, 2 more triangles. I'll finish by drawing a line down the middle for the doors. You do not have to draw your doors the same as mine. You can draw hinges on the side instead. You can add a window like I'm doing, or maybe you want your window to be round or kind of like a dome shape. It's up to you. But what I do want to see is how you're framing your windows. So see how I'm not just drawing 1 rectangle, I'm drawing 2, one inside the other? I'm doing that so that I have the frame of my window. It makes it look more realistic. Now, you can be done here, or you can add some extra details to your barn. Maybe you want some planking, like I'm doing, like wood planks. Maybe you want to go the other direction, horizontal. Or maybe you like it the way it is. It's up to you. You can add whatever details you would like. The last thing we need for our barn before we add the background is the silo, which is where extra grain or goods are kept. So I drew a curved line next to my barn. Now I'm drawing 2 vertical lines that come up. See how one goes behind the barn? That's fine. I'm drawing another curved line. See how the top and the bottom curved lines go down the same direction? Now I'm adding a dome on top. I'm adding the background now. So the first thing I need is my horizon line, which is where the land meets the sky. Now it looks like my barn is actually sitting on something instead of just floating in space. I'm adding some texture. Also add a tree and some other things that I think a barn would have. You may want to draw something else. Maybe you want to draw apples or animals, whatever you want. When you're ready, begin coloring in your barn. I'm making mine red, and we saw a lot of red barns, so you can absolutely paint your barn red. But maybe you want to have a different color barn and you want to do blue or yellow or purple. All of those options are just fine by me. Maybe You're even going to decide you want it to be nighttime, so everything will be darker. Or you want your windows to be blue to reflect the sky, or yellow to show that there's a light inside. All of those options are wonderful. What I do want to see is a completely colored picture. Have fun!